The pipe from the catalytic converter to the exhaust had rusted through, which was picked up on the MOT this year. So I took the car down to Maidstone Exhaust Centre, and the guys there have been able to do a repair on it by cutting out the section of pipe that leads out of the cat and being able to weld in a new section. New pipe welded to the catalytic converter and then clamped back in place to the rest of the exhaust. The car's good to go, and hopefully we'll do many thousands of miles with this setup.